product, right? So that is the first thing that you need to start doing. Fine. Type of promotion depends, but promotion is the first thing, or generating awareness. So usually, yeah. So usually what happens here is these promotional activities are called campaigns. Okay, let me write it here. These are called campaigns. Okay, so all the promotional activities that you do, right, they are called campaigns. And in our CRM, any CRM, I mean, I'm not talking about Salesforce. Right now, I'm just talking about a generic CRM concept. You should track all your promotional activities. Now, you again go back and think of one small thing. Don't you feel that there is a requirement for all the companies to track all the campaigns that they are doing? Should they track what all campaigns they are doing, or they should not? The answer is yes, they should. Why they should track the campaign? So that they can actually get how effective or efficiency of the campaign at the end of it. If I do a campaign and I don't track which campaign I did, how much I spent on that anywhere, if I don't track that piece of information, then it is of no use. So I think in our first session we were talking about that CRM has a lot of information. So CRM does not have information only related to customers. It also needs to have information related to the campaigns that you're doing, right? Which campaign, which customer you got through which campaign, that you need to track so that you can understand. Let's say, I mean, some of you suggested we'll send emails. Some of you suggested that okay, when we'll go and do the demonstrations in offices. Some of you said that we will actually share the manuals. So different ways of doing campaigns. Let's say there's a company which does 3 or 4 different types of campaigns. End of the year, don't you think this company will be interested in knowing which campaign worked better than the others, right? That is where there is this requirement to track all the campaigns whichever are being done. Okay, so that in general a company does campaigns, and whenever they do a campaign, it needs to be tracked into their CRM. And in Salesforce also we have an option of tracking the campaigns. So now I will leave it up to you what kind of a campaign you want to do. As I told you, this is a case study and I'm assuming that you are the business owner. Fine. So you decide what type of a campaign you want to do, but whatever campaign type you want to do, you should put it in the Salesforce. So where do we put it in Salesforce? Here we have a campaigns tab. So if you see the Salesforce screen, you will see that there is this campaigns tab, and you have to list down your campaign here. Got that? So that is the thing. Clear on it? Any questions, any doubts here? So after the session, maybe what you can do is you can start putting data into this. I'll just show you one small example, and you all can actually do it on your developer editions. So let's say I want to do a seminar in which I invite all the companies. For example, I have prepared a list of companies and I have, organized a seminar wherein I want to call all the companies to come and see the product demonstration. So I should go to campaigns, click on new to add the campaign, whichever campaign I'm doing. So it's just a piece of information, or one campaign that I'm doing. Okay, so you go to this campaigns tab and put the campaign information there. Name of the campaign, type of the conference. Let's say I am talking about a conference. It's a planned one. It starts on, let's say, 28th April. So when you want to do it, ends on the same date. It's a one-day thing, and I'm expecting a revenue of, let's say, $50,000 from here. And I'm planning to spend close to, let's say, $1,000 here. Actual cost, I'm still not aware. Once the campaign is done, completed, at that time I will actually get the actual cost there. Right, save it. Right. So this way, whatever campaigns you do or whatever campaigns your company does, they all need to be tracked under campaigns. So this is just one of those. Okay, all the campaigns need to be tracked. So any company needs to do a lot of campaigns, and whatever campaigns they do or the campaigns that they run, they put all those campaign information under this campaigns tab. Clear on this? So what piece of information will go into campaigns? Right. So anytime you're doing a campaign, track it here. After the session, once you start working on it on your own, think of a few campaigns that you would want to do and put that information here one by one. Okay. Now let's say we planned to do this campaign on 28th of May, which is a conference, and we invited companies to come and see the product demonstration. Okay. After this campaign, during this campaign, there's this guy whose name is Ajay Kumar, and who is a sales manager in Wipro. Right. Let's say this guy comes to you and says, "Hey, our company is looking to buy a few laptops. So can you provide us the details and all that stuff?" Now, because you are into that seminar, what you would do, you will say, "Okay, fine. Please drop in your phone number and email ID. We will get back to you with the quotations and everything." Right? That is what we are going to do. So when you do a campaign, so either it's a seminar, or if you are doing a campaign, an open campaign, put a newspaper ad, you receive a few inquiries through that campaign, right? People call you and they ask you about the products and all. So this is where this guy would, this guy comes and says, "Okay, fine. Can you give us a little more details about it?" And you say, "Okay, just drop your phone and email ID," right? Now, this piece of information again needs to be tracked in Salesforce or in your CRM. In this case, it's Salesforce. This piece of information also needs to be tracked. Okay, where would we track it? We will track it under leads. So this way you will have a lot of inquiries flowing in. All those need to be tracked under leads. So after campaigns, we have leads. Okay. So just go to leads, create a new lead. Mr. Ajay Kumar from Wipro, who is a sales manager